Okay, another magnetoculture experiment, this time to see if magnetic fields have any effect on old, out-of-date seeds. In this case, white and red onions. So, as before, two identical propagation trays will be used, each with the same compost mix, and approximately the same number of seeds will be sown in each tray. The seeds themselves will be divided into two batches. Batch 1 is all of the old white onion seeds mixed together, and batch 2 is all of the old red onion seeds, again mixed together. Both trays will then be divided into two rough areas. The top part for the white onions and the bottom part for the red. As usual, the only variable will be the magnet, which will be placed underneath the designated magnetized tray. So that's the experimental setup. Let's see what happened. This is after 3 weeks, and there's a noticeable difference between the two trays. However, this time, the germination of both batches, white and red onions, is actually greater in the non-magnetized tray. This is after 6 weeks and nothing has really changed. The germination rate in the non-magnetized tray is still greater than the magnetized tray. This is surprising, because based upon the effects seen in the other magnetoculture experiments, I was expecting more growth in the magnetized tray. This is the opposite result. It actually looks like the magnetic field has had a detrimental effect on the old, out-of-date seeds. Also, as you can see, far fewer of the white onion seeds have germinated overall. So what went wrong? Why did we not see the same beneficial effects observed in the other magnetoculture experiments? Well, for a start, onion seeds have one of the shortest viability windows of any common vegetable, often just 1 to 2 years under normal storage conditions. Also, magnetic field effects often follow a biphasic or hormetic dose-response curve, which basically means that a high dose can actually inhibit growth. And in this case, the energy input from the magnetic field may have accelerated the breakdown of already fragile cellular structures in the old seeds. Other studies have found similar results. Too much magnetism can cause cellular stress or chromosomal issues, which leads to poorer growth. Also, red onions often have thicker seed coats, which may retain viability slightly longer than white onions due to higher anthocyanin content, which acts as an antioxidant. And this could explain why so few of the white onion seeds germinated, compared to the red. So does a magnetic field rejuvenate old seeds? Not in this case, no. Does it affect germination rates? Maybe. And this will be the subject of another experiment. If you would like to stay up to date, please subscribe to this channel.